Good morning, ladies and gents, and welcome back into TheRedCyberGlass. I'm very happy to be here again with another video. So today guys, is a special day. It's my day. I'm super excited. I don't want to talk about video games today because I want to talk about something that I got today. I was waiting for it since months, forever, basically ages. I think I started to melt from the desire since a year at least. Then I started to monitor all the prices on Amazon to decide what to buy, what not to buy. At the end, I was up to buy, I was up to buy the Mavic 2 Pro, but the price of the Mavic Pro Platinum combo was so juicy during the Prime Day that I said, okay, I just can't miss it. It's really convenient. And I just bought it. Okay, so it is arrived today, and now what I want to do is to open it with you, face to face, like if we were together, you know, friends at the same table, opening up and just melt from the desire about this beautiful deliciousness that is this great drone. All right, so stay with me and let's start unpacking this beautiful gear. Let's start. So this is the Mavic Pro Fly More combo, the Platinum Pro. So basically in this package you can have inside not only the Mavic Pro, the drone, but also some other components like more batteries, more support, the bag. So there are a lot of good stuff inside. So first of all, let's open this huge box. It's almost a shame to open this kind of box because it's so well done, well packed, that is like a shame. All right, so we don't really care about all the quick start guide. I mean, yes, I care. I will do it later by my own. Refresh care. Yeah, we don't. Ooh, and here we start with the good stuff. I think I need to shoot some B-roll after this video just to show you a little bit how it is packed because it's insane. So here, and you can't hear it. I mean, you can feel it. The smell of this thing is like a brand new car, you know? It's like the plastic out of the box. It's literally, I don't know. So here we have the drone. The drone is very compact, like I was expecting. There is a little protection for the lens. Of course, it's plastic. Okay. All right. So after that, after the drone, that is the most interesting part. No, I'm joking. There is a bag, and the bag is full of stuff. So we have down below here. Woo! Wait a second. Why these are lightning? Okay, so we have two more additional batteries that I don't know why I can't extract. Yeah, here they are. Two more of these. So we have in total 3 batteries. This is beautiful because, you know, I think it's like 20 minutes of fly or half an hour for the Mavic Pro Platinum. So having 3 of them, it means 1 hour and a half basically. A piece of plastic, and now there is the bag. And this is my favorite piece of gear after the drone, of course. No, it's just part of the box. So let's put away this black box and let's unpack the bag. So basically the bag and the things inside are the combo, or a big part of the combo package, bundle, call it in the way you want. So the bag, we have a beautiful zip here, probably for memory card, you know, the SD card. Then open it. Okay, of course there are 2 handles for the lanyard. There are some more little pockets here, pouches here to put some other things. Here we have another pocket that actually contains already, yes, the helix. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 helix in case you need to substitute some of them. Thank you very much, DJI. Very good job. And then we have the big, the big pocket is the one that will contain the drone once you need to carry it away. So here we have the contents of the, there is a zip again for memory card, the little wires and cables. I have no clue what these little cables or I don't know what they are. Lanyard, the plug, the charger. That's a strange device. Power bank. Ah, yes, for the car. Of course. Imagine you are in Iceland and you are in the middle of nowhere with a Defender. You have no possibility to charge your drone. Well, yes, you have a beautiful, you know what I mean. Here again, other pieces of cable. And now, I think this is part of the charger. Okay, all boring. Everything is boring here, apart from the remote control. Ah, yes, because you have a charger also for the remote control. Wow. Okay. There are like two little legs over here, two little handle or to put your smartphone and to use the smartphone as a screen for the drone. Okay, good. And now, yes, another piece of battery charger. So, and this is the content of the bag. All right. Okay, guys, so I think this is it. I'm really looking forward to fly this little baby. It's gonna be this weekend for sure. I need to find a place to avoid hurting people. So I will find a place. I will fly this drone and I promise I'm gonna show you some beautiful footage out of this. All right, that's all, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this little experience with me. It has been a pleasure, of course, as well to share this moment, this emotion, these feelings of excitement with you. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to put a like if you enjoyed the video, to subscribe in case you want to see more of my contents, and click the notification bell in case you want to know when I'm going to upload new videos. All right. That's all, guys. Have a good night. Enjoy the rest of the day if it is morning, and see you really soon into the next video. Bye. And now I need to put away all this good stuff. How? Ah, the B-roll I need to shoot. No, I'm not gonna do it now. I could. I will not do it. All right, okay, let's put to bed this beautiful baby. My little baby, my second little baby after my real baby. And after the camera is the other baby. So I have Ettore, the camera, and the drone. Yeah, my wife, of course, but it's not my baby, the wife. It's my boss. She is my boss. I need to think something for the thumbnail, actually, because I have no idea how I'm going to... I knew that. So now it's impossible to put the things back how they were. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Come on. Come on. Okay. And I need to find a way to charge the batteries if tomorrow or Saturday I want for the drone. Actually, it's more...